You are viewing a 3-layer co-extruded blown film line. These are the 3 extruders. The first extruder is for the outer layer and known as outer extruder. The second one is for the middle layer and known as middle extruder. And the third one for the inner layer and known as inner extruder. These 3 extruders are connected to a common die. An extruder consists of a motor, gearbox, and a screw. This screw within the extruder has 3 sections. One section is for the feeding, second section for the heating and pressurizing, and the third one is for the metering. These are the automatic gravimetric dosing system. 4 different types of polymers can be fed through this to the extruder. Ultimately, when the polymers comes out of the extruder, it is in the plasticized state. The extruder has a screen to filter foreign particles. This is a spiral type of die. This die takes the plasticized state material from all the 3 extruders and delivers through the die lip. The dual air ring has 2 passages, one for the IBC, that is inner bubble cooling, and OBC, that is outer bubble cooling. The bubble which comes out from the die lip comes out with certain amount of pressure and shape. This bubble is controlled and directed by the bubble gauge. These rollers help guide the path of the bubble. The auto gauge correction scanner moves 355 degrees around the bubble and take the reading of the thickness of the bubble at every position. This is known as A-frame or collapsing column. The A-frame help control and guide the bubble going in the upward direction. This the main nip, which is the highest position of the vertical movement of the film. The main nip controls the tension of the film while the bubble is moving in the upward direction. This is the reference for the surface speed for the thickness control system. The vertical haul-off moves 355 degrees in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. These turning bars are having number of holes to reduce friction between the film and the turning bar. The film continues to travel towards discharge nip, which controls the tension during the downward movement of the film. This is the downward journey of the film from the discharge nip to the web liner before it enters into the corona treater, and finally enters the last nipping station known as secondary nip. After secondary nip, film is parted and it will go to right hand and left hand winders. The film is getting ready at these 2 winders for its final dispatch.